Bonjour, my name is Chef Noah. Welcome to the kitchen. Today we're going to learn how to make a delicious, easy, simple risotto in the rice cooker. You'll need risotto rice, mushrooms, cremini is good. If you want to add some extra pizzazz, dried mushrooms, basil, onion, a citrus, white wine, vegetable broth. Prepare the rice using a 3-to-1 ratio. 3 cups of warm vegetable broth for 1 cup of the rice. Get your rice cooker, plug it in, away from any sources of water or stove. Put the pot in, select white rice. In 45 minutes, time runs out. Chop up half of an onion and some of these mushrooms into very, very fine pieces. Once the mushrooms are chopped to this size, add it to the pan. Do not add the onions yet. Add some dried mushrooms. A common misconception is that you need to cook this with oil. You can just use water. Once the mushrooms are becoming gray, it's time to add in the onion. Do not use metal on whatever this surface is. The scratches bring up some terrible chemical. Add a little bit of salt. Once the onions have become gold, please Dionysus by adding a 1/4 cup of white cooking wine. Once you notice some change in scent, that's when you know it's ready to add this to the rice cooker. Quickly push it in to the cooker. Fold this inside of there and just look at it. Maybe we could use a little extra vegetable stock. The rice is almost done. Cut the lemon, open this up, give it a good squeeze. You can add some basil. Have patience, let it finish. Well, the alarm just went off. The risotto is ready to serve. Look at that. Give it one more whirl, get your plate. Take some leaves. That's ready to serve. Mmm.